topic is understanding quadrilateral. In this, we are going to see kinds of quadrilateral. First one, trapezium. Trapezium means two sides it will be parallel. This will be parallel but not equal. This it will be equal but not parallel. So, I'll give A, B, C, D trapezium. In this, AB is parallel to DC, but AB is not equal to DC. That means, suppose if we have here 5 centimeter, we'll get here 10 centimeter. In this, AD and BC will be equal. AD and BC will be equal. Suppose if you take 3 centimeter, here also will get 3 centimeter. So this both the sides are equal, but it will be not parallel. Parallel means what? This from here to here we have the same space in this place. This is called parallel. But see here, it is long, it is short in this corner, short. So it is not parallel. So AD is not parallel to BC, but it will be equal. This is called trapezium. In trapezium, diagonals will be equal. This diagonals will be equal. It will be bisect each other. Bisect means what? Here suppose 5 centimeter is there, means this and this it will become same, that is 2.5 and 2.5 it will be cut. This is called bisecting, and this also it will be bisect. Here also it will become 2.5, here also it will become 2.5 because it is equal and bisecting. Bisecting means it is correct of it will be cut. This is isosceles trapezium because we have opposite sides. Isosceles trapezium because we have here opposite sides are parallel. This opposite sides are equal. This is the case. It is called isosceles trapezium. One more trapezium we are going to see. This is also trapezium because in this we are going to see only angle in this. Here this will be parallel, this is not parallel. This both are parallel. Suppose if I give AB, CD, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. This both is not parallel. It is not equal also. Then sum of adjacent angles are supplementary. That is angle A plus angle B will get 180 degree, and D angle and C angle also. If we add, we will get 180 degree. Trapezium is a quadrilateral which a pair of parallel sides. We have parallel sides here. This are trapezium. We don't have parallel sides here, so this are not trapezium. Next one is kite. Kite, we have this two consecutive sides are equal. This and this it is equal. Suppose if we take A, B, C, D, AB is equal to BC and AD equal to DC. AD equal to DC. Then we will not get the equal diagonals, but this diagonal, that is BD, will bisect AC. Therefore, if I give here O, OA equal to OC. AO equal to OC because it will be bisect. If it is 4 centimeter, here we will get 2 centimeter, here we will get 2 centimeter. But only one diagonal will bisect, one more diagonal will not bisect. Then, angle A equal to angle C will get. Angle A equal to angle C, but this B angle will not be equal to D angle. B angle will not equal to D angle. we'll get two isosceles triangle. One is ABC. Triangle ABC also is isosceles triangle. One more is ACD, because these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. So triangle ABC also is isosceles triangle. Two isosceles triangle will get in right. Parallelogram will have two opposite sides will be equal. ABCD is a parallelogram. In this, AB and DC will be parallel and equal. AD and BC it will be parallel and equal. So therefore, AB equal to DC and AB is parallel to DC. Then AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. Then we'll have two diagonals. One is AC, one more is BD. So AC and BD will be equal. The two diagonals will be bisect each other. Suppose if it is 5 centimeter, it will be 2.5 and this also will be 2.5. This also it will be equal in parallelogram, so that this one also it will be 2.5 and it will be 2.5. The intersecting point I will keep O, therefore OD equal to OB, OA equal to OC will be there. Then the angles, opposite angles will be equal. Therefore, A angle will be equal to C angle, D angle equal to B angle. If we add this both the angle, we will get 180. So, sum of the adjacent angles are 180 or D and C angle. D angle plus C angle will add, then too will get 180 degree. Then now this both are equal and parallel. When we have the parallel sides of opposite sides, then this is called alternative angles. Alternative angles will be equal. Suppose we will give here the angle is, this is 1, this is 2, here it is 3, this is 4, here it is 5, this is 6 I am giving. So it will be 1 equal to 4 or 5 equal to 2. 1 angle equal to 4th angle or 2 angle equal to 5th angle, like this. When we have this sides are parallel, then this angle are called alternative angles. Alternative angles are equal. Some special parallelograms. First one is rhombus. In this, all the four sides will be equal. A, B, C, D. All the quadrilateral we have to mark like this way or we have to mark like this way. We should not mark A, B, C, D and all. Either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then all the four sides will be equal in a rhombus. Two diagonals will bisect at 90 degree, but two diagonals will not be equal. That is AD equal to DC equal to CB, CB equal to AB. All the four sides are equal and DB will bisect, that is these two are equal, that is OD equal to OB and here OA or OA equal to OC. But this both diagonals are not equal in length. DB is not equal to AC. Both the diagonals will meet at 90 degree. Then we'll have in this place right angle triangle. All 4 right angle triangle we will get. 4 also will get right angle triangle. Second special parallelogram is rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides will be equal and parallel. This opposite sides are equal and parallel. We keep it A, B, C, D is a rectangle. So therefore, AB equal to DC. And it will be parallel also. AB and parallel to DC. All the parallelogram properties, all the properties will be there for a rectangle also. And all the angles will be 90 degree. And 2 diagonals will be equal for a rectangle. That is AC is equal to DB and it will be bisect both of them. It will be bisect, this will be bisect. Therefore, all 4 sides will be equal because already 2 diagonals are equal. Then it will be bisect means all the 4, that is OA and OC will be equal, OD and OB will be equal. Therefore, we will get in this triangle ADC will be 90 degree. ADC, here it will be 90 degree, therefore we will get a right angle triangle, 2 right angle triangle we will get in this. Third case is square. In square, all 4 sides will be equal. And 2 diagonals also will be equal and bisect. So angles will be 90 degree. Therefore, in square, all the properties of parallelogram, rhombus and rectangle. Then a rectangle with sides of equal length will be square. All the properties will be there for parallelogram, rhombus and rectangle. Only one special case in this, AB, BC, CD and AD will be equal like rhombus. While writing in the classwork, you have to write including trapezium this page.